Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. In our last episode, we reported on an automated weeding system from Dimensions Agritechnologies. Well, the company system is part of a new trend. Numerous companies are now developing automated approaches to weeding on farms using a combination of advanced technologies. The systems have some common characteristics. They rely on deep learning algorithms to produce and analyze images quickly and accurately enough to be useful in real time in the field and distinguish between crops and weeds or other unwanted plants. Also, cameras are typically mounted on commercial herbicide sprayers or robots and continuously scan fields or orchards to distinguish between crops and weeds. And because the systems operate in harsh outdoor environments, weather-resistant enclosures for the cameras, as well as for the lenses and lights, are common. There are systems that rely on some form of 3D imaging to produce point clouds necessary for fast and accurate image analysis and inferencing. For example, John Deere's tech stack uses stereoscopic imaging, a type of 3D that uses 2D images taken from multiple camera angles to produce data for a point cloud. There are many other approaches to removing the weeds, including some like those from John Deere and Dimensions Agritechnologies that use herbicides. Other companies have developed alternative approaches as well, like a system from Robotics that uses lasers to zap weeds, and another from A-PHY that uses a mechanical weeder to attack weeds at their roots. The MIPI Alliance's A-PHY interface standard was originally developed for automotive applications, including automated driver assistance systems. But according to Israel-based semiconductor manufacturer Valens Semiconductor, it could offer even more. The company says the standard can benefit industrial applications involving cameras, like those used for inline inspection and warehouse automation. MIPI, which specializes in mobile interfaces, developed the standard as a high-speed, long-reach physical layer protocol designed for high-speed data transfer over long distances, while also maintaining low power consumption, a feature that helps ensure vision systems can function seamlessly even in harsh industrial settings, like on assembly lines. The advantages this embedded vision standard provide include data rates up to 32 gigabits per second and data transmission over distances of 15 meters or more. The standard also performs well in challenging environments, including those with electromagnetic interference or vibrations. It has been designed with low power consumption in mind. It's scalable too and can support multiple cameras and sensors connected to a single data bus. This scalability allows manufacturers and industrial operators to integrate additional sensors and cameras into their vision systems as the need arises, without overhauling the entire infrastructure. A tiny technology that could fit onto a smartphone is showing huge promise for a wide range of applications, from manufacturing to biomedical diagnostics. Researchers at North Carolina State University have designed and demonstrated a spectrometer that's just a few square millimeters in size and sensitive enough to accurately measure a broader range of wavelengths than is currently possible. The new technology features a tiny photodetector that senses light after it interacts with the target material. And when different low voltages are applied, the team says they can manipulate which wavelengths, ranging from ultraviolet to near infrared, the photodetector is sensitive to. The pixel-sized spectrometer operates very quickly, too. The entire process happens in less than a millisecond. Tests of the technology have determined it's as accurate as conventional spectrometers, with sensitivity that rivals commercial photodetection devices. The team says their tiny spectrometer paves the way for next-generation imaging. Among their goals is to make the technology available for the consumer market. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.